Let me guess, you're having a hard time trying to open your Adobe Acrobat application. There are a couple of ways you can try to fix this problem. The first is going to be force closing and try to reopening it. However, if that doesn't work, it could also be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data to ensure a stable internet connection. Also, make sure that VPN is always turned off. You can also try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that is not the case, there might be an update pending. Simply open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply go ahead and search for Adobe Acrobat just like that, and then click on the application. Where you see the open button, if you have any updates pending, it is going to be saying update, so simply go ahead and tap on that, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if you have not fixed your problem still, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.